Ever spent hours filling out expense reports, meticulously recalling every lunch break and cab fare from the previous month? Yeah, us too. That's why expense management tools like Expensify exist, to streamline the process and make expense reporting a breeze. But what if your business needs go beyond simple receipts and mileage logs? What if you need to track employee time alongside expenses? This is a common question for businesses that bill by the hour or track project timelines. Can Expensify handle that, or do you need a separate time tracking solution? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify and its time tracking capabilities. The rise of the all-in-one, unveiling Expensify's features. Expensify rose to fame by simplifying expense reporting. It lets you snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses on the go, and submit reports with a few clicks. But as the company evolved, it aimed to become a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Today, Expensify offers a variety of features beyond expense tracking, including corporate cards, issue employee cards for business purchases, eliminating the need for personal credit card reimbursements. Bill pay. Pay vendors directly through Expensify, streamlining your bill payment process. Partner integrations. Connect Expensify with your accounting software, payroll system, and other business tools. So, where does time tracking fit into this picture? The time tracking question, a look under the hood. Here's the thing, Expensify doesn't have a built-in time tracking feature. It focuses on managing expenses, not employee hours. However, that doesn't mean you can't track time alongside your expenses in Expensify. Here's why. Third-party integrations. Expensify integrates with several popular time tracking apps like Clockify, T-Sheets, and Harvest. This allows you to connect your accounts and potentially import time entries into Expensify reports. Custom fields. Expensify allows you to create custom fields for your expense reports. You could create a field called hours worked and manually enter your time alongside each expense. This is a simple solution, but it can be tedious, especially for large teams or complex projects. Workarounds and manual processes. Some users get creative with Expensify's existing features to unofficially track time. For instance, they might categorize expenses by project and estimate the time spent on that project. While inventive, this approach is prone to errors and inconsistencies. Making the choice, Expensify or a dedicated time tracker. So, should you use Expensify for time tracking? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Simple needs. If you only need basic time tracking for a small team and don't mind manual entries or workarounds, Expensify might suffice. Project-based billing. If you bill clients by the hour and require detailed time records for accurate invoicing, a dedicated time tracker is a better option. These tools offer features like timesheets, project budgeting, and reporting specifically designed for project management. Integration needs. Consider your existing workflow. If you already use a time tracking app with robust features, integrating it with Expensify can create a seamless experience. Ultimately, the best solution depends on your specific needs and preferences. Beyond Expensify, exploring time tracking options. If you've decided a dedicated time tracker is the way to go, here are some popular options to consider. Clockify, a free and user-friendly option with core time tracking features and basic reporting. Toggle Track, another freemium option with features like project budgeting, time logs, and detailed reports. Harvest, a powerful time tracking tool with features like timesheets, invoicing, and project management capabilities. The wrap-up, finding your time tracking sweet spot. Expensify is a fantastic tool for managing expenses, but its time tracking capabilities are limited. Consider your team size, project complexity, and billing needs before deciding if Expensify with integrations or a dedicated time tracker is the right fit. Remember, the goal is to streamline your workflow and save time, not add another layer of complexity. So, explore your options, experiment with trials, and find the time tracking solution that perfectly complements your Expensify experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.